Ocean.
Puppies, man. What's happening? I'm gonna be up all night. Stand down. All cleaned up, my boy. What it is, YouTube? What's poppin', man? What's good, Rock City Merle fam? We here. I'm currently at New Day crib. As you guys may or may not know, I did a breeding about 2 months ago with Diesle and Nahla. New Day is the owner of Nahla. I'm currently at his crib. As you guys may see by the title, I'm about to check out the puppies, man. My son Diesel threw a full Merle litter, bro. A full Merle litter. He threw an 8-piece. Well, Nahla threw an 8-piece. 4 boys and 4 girls. Fire litter, fire litter. I'm waiting for him to come outside too. Just text me. Coming out right now. Man, ever since this breeding went down, it's just been great business, nothing but respect with my son. Just been a vibe. What's good, my bro? I'm vlogging and shit. Just good. Say what's up, man.
Diablo killing me, no fucking vibe.
Man, we about to go check out these puppies, man. It's about to get crazy. She threw a beautiful 8-piece. Mom doing good. Puppies doing good. They all healthy. We currently just got to his house, so we about to go check these puppies out. Yeah, here, man. Let's check out these puppies, bro. What's up, Mom? How you doing? Look at these puppies, man. What's up, baby? Remember me? What's up? Look at, man. Look at the pups, man. It is crazy. Threw an 8-piece, and my son threw a full Merle litter, man. Full Merle litter, man. Check out these puppies, man. Come close, man. Get a puppy, man. Check out these pups. Full Merle litter, man. Full Merle litter. She threw 4 boys and 4 girls. Beautiful, beautiful pups. And she being a great mom. Since the beginning, she was doing it all on her own. Doing good. These are waiting to see his kids. Don't forget about that. He's waiting on that. Check out this boy. This is Diesel's clone right here. Diesel clone, man. I'm gonna try and pop up a picture of Diesel when he was a baby, but this right here, clone, man. He got a dome on him, neck on him, all that. Puppies will be available soon. You can follow me and New Day on Instagram at Diablo Kennels and Rock City Merle 585. But Nahla being a good mom. Let me get these other puppies back here.
That like Merle right there, crazy.
This the boy. Nah, this not the boy.
No,
this a female. Check this girl out, though. She is beautiful. This was the last boy, and he a beast.
Whoa.
Last boy that was born.
He big as hell.
He the biggest one.
Yeah, the biggest one.
Biggest one out the litter.
Look at his tail.
Look at this boy.
And they all got bone.
And they all got bone on them too. And she a good
Crazy
mom.
Merle.
She not being aggressive. Nothing. Perfect. Let me see.
Crazy Merle also.
This the first female that was born.
First one.
First female.
Wait, you see the head?
Look at the neck on that girl. Look at
it now. Crazy. She got a crazy neck.
And a little bit of Merle,
Yeah.
but she got it though. All the puppies came out Merle, man. First Merle litter that I ever had, New Day ever had. Full Merle. Check them all out. They all here. And they all healthy, active puppies. All healthy and active.
As the time went on, they lightened up, and it was like, oh, they really different colors. But at first, I thought they was mostly the same color.
Yeah, but they lightened up and they all dry up.
It's like this one right here, little Pekka. She like a smoky gray.
Yeah,
Other one
gray.
like a silver gray type shit.
Check them out. She a good mama, man. She doing real good.
Beautiful. Hey, yo, he got a little bit of Brindle trying. I mean, Brindle.
It'll probably come through when he get older.
If you put him to the light, like you can see a little bit.
I love his face. He got a nice face on him. Nice white face.
He's crazy.
Beautiful boy. I like this.
What
one.
is, bro? 2 days old?
2 days old. 2 days old. Only 2 days old. All active, moving. Solid gray with a little bit of, solid brown lilac.
Yes, sir.
With some Merle on it. This female, beautiful. Crazy.
They're all healthy, man.
All healthy pups.
No breech pups, none of that, man.
All pups came out healthy, no cleft palates, no.
And actually, this one came out. He came out with no sack.
He came out no sack. Did he come out backwards or not?
Yeah,
he came out backwards
with no sack.
Man, I'm happy though with the way this litter came out, man. Real happy.
Yeah, that like a little bit of Brenda Merle right there.
You might have to do a repeat of this breeding.
Yeah, we is, bro. I need to
run this back. Cause this came out crazy. Puppies will be available soon. So probably around like December 25th around there. Probably around Christmas. So get you guys a Christmas puppy. Cause it's gonna be a great present for whoever, anybody who want to buy one. It's gonna be a great present for anybody.
And pictures coming up soon. We're gonna post some pictures.
Pictures coming soon. Photo shoot coming soon for the pups and all out. But what's shot on this? She a beautiful, calm dog. Man, she did good too. What's up, little mamas? Yeah, man. I'm impressed with this litter. Beautiful, best litter ever, man. Beautiful litter, man. I don't know. Man, y'all drop down in the comments, man, which one I should keep, cause I don't know. I don't know. Help me out, man. Help me out, cause I don't know. Y'all came on fire, man. I'm thinking about this one right here, cause she look like my old lady, man. My old lady's 16, like Shadow.
She got show that heart on the back.
Yeah, man, she got that little heart. Check the little heart out right there. So this might be my keeper, man. I'm not sure. Maybe, I don't know. Which one you keeping, Diablo?
Yeah,
this one?
I think that's the female. Yup, I think that's my keeper.
This might be New Day keeper.
Yeah, for sure.
She beautiful. She got a nice short snout, like Nahla. Her snout not even too long, perfect.
Her body.
She gonna have a bone on her. Yeah,
her. She nice, man. That's one I'm for sure probably keep type shit.
Man, I'm in love with baby Pekka though.
Her fire.
I thought it was a boy, but she ended up being a girl.
One of her legs, Merle, I believe.
Clean her up. Cleaning them up, stimulating them, all that. She doing real good. I'm impressed with her. And she actually let me sit here. This not even my dog. She let me sit here. If Becca was in labor and New Day was to be there, Becca would be on 10. She'd be barking, growling.
Crazy part is, bro, I stayed in the room on purpose for about 4 hours, bro. And I watched the camera. Good, bro.
Good, man.
It was good.
You did your thing with this litter though, for sure.
We did, bro. No cap.
Yeah, good.
I'm happy I picked the stud I did, man. I'm gonna hold with you.
My son Diesle, I'm gonna pop up a picture of Diesel and Nahla when they was together.
Right.
So you guys can see.
Hey, yo, I really knew she was gonna throw out lilacs, but it was always, you never know type of shit.
It's all on down to genetics down the line and all that. So my son Diesel, I told you, I'm like, yo, if she throw a full Merle litter, man, I'm gonna be tight. Cause I never had a full Merle litter, man. I was so mad, bro. She threw him a full Merle litter and I was tight. But I'm happy though, an 8-piece. Doctor said 9 or 10, but she had 8. I ain't mad at all.
Whoa.
As long as mama healthy, puppy's healthy, that's all that matters at the end of the day. As you got to see right here, this is my 4 right here. Bam. 2 boys and 2 girls. These will be the 4 that I will have available on my page on Instagram at RockCityMerle585. Y'all go follow that. And then my son New Day at Diablo Kennels.
Keeping these folks.
He got baby Pekka. He got this beautiful boy that he was the last one actually.
Yeah, Smokey.
He got the first female that came, and then this last.
Where Remy at? This Remy right here.
That's a female.
Remy ma.
Yeah, for me. This was the first female that was born,
yeah,
and then I don't really remember this one, but that's the.
Yeah, he got some Merle on his head and shit.
Yeah, those are all heads right there.
Yeah.
All the heads right there, man. Yes, sir, man. Man, I appreciate the
business. You know that, man. Yo, go follow my Instagram, Diablo.Kennels.
You know that
more shit coming soon. Way more litters on the way. This is my first one, so we got a lot coming soon.
Brody's first litter, man. So you know I had to come in and bless him with the Merles.
Right.
But they all doing good, man. I'm happy with the way they came up. I'm
satisfied with this, bro.
You doing good, mama.
Bro, she is over.
All the umbilical cords is off.
Yeah.
All that. They all
fell off, right?
Yeah, they all fell off. Every single one of them. They all healthy though. I'm happy. 2 days old and they already. Look at that.
Bone. Like even their legs, bro. You can just tell they gonna have bone, bro.
They all gonna have bone. Remember that picture I showed you? Diesel, bro. His chest, bro. His chest crazy. Nah, look. You showing? Little baby. Man, look at that. Look at them puppies, man. Yo, every time I see puppies, I'm happy. I don't care, man. I just see puppies and I'm happy, man.
You got some Merle right here. You got Merle on him. Look at that. Right here on his
Check these puppies out. Yeah. Man, I was hoping to get one that came out a little bit ticked out, cause I know she got a little tick, but next little Meg, yo. Look at this girl. She ain't lose no weight, like. She's still nice and thick.
Yeah, she got nice ass head.
Nice head. She ain't lose no weight at all. Back out when she dropped, she was skinny. She ain't lose no weight. Nice and healthy. You can't even see her bones.
She got good. Nice head though, man.
She ain't lose no weight. She perfect. She gonna snap back like that.
I ran her last night.
It's my little baby right here though. Check out baby Diesel, man. Look at baby Diesel.
This definitely my keeper though, bro. I ain't gonna hold this one down, man. It's female.
That's your keeper?
Remy Ma, that's her name.
She beautiful though.
Or I was gonna name her Mocha. I don't know.
Remy Ma sound fire though. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that girl, man.
I was gonna name him Smokey or Cowboy.
Smokey. Cowboy fire. Hell yeah.
Fit him a little bit.
Do. For sure. This is my little girl right here, baby Shadow.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna post a picture of baby Shadow, my older one. She's 16, and I'm gonna put baby Shadow next to her.
My name this one Cookies.
Cookie. Man, I'm in love, man. I'm in love. It never fails. Never fails when it comes to the puppies, man. I'm full of love all over again.
I can't wait to wait till the eyes open though, man. You don't even know yet. I'm gonna have a crazy
photo shoot coming soon in about 4 weeks.
Yeah, man.
Photo shoot, so y'all stay tuned for the photo shoot. It's gonna be on both our pages. You already know.
Yo, that one right there, bro. She be trying to get missing, bro. She over here
walking and all that. They're gonna be on go.
And it's a good little area, so I'm about to.
Alright, man. I'm gonna end out the video there. I'm gonna end it out with the 2 bad bitches. Puppies will be available soon around December 25th, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all go follow Rock City Merles and Diablo Kennels for the puppies. All support is free. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video.